On September 18, 2023, Friends of the Teton River and the Canyon Creek Canal Company broke ground on a project that has been 12 years in the making. Through the investment of $4 million, this project will include improvements to 3 irrigation diversion structures along the Teton River, which will seasonally restore up to 70 cubic feet per second of water to Canyon Creek. This tributary, located on the northern end of the Big Hole Mountain Range, is critically important for the future of Yellowstone cutthroat trout in the Teton River watershed. Moreover, this project will improve water supply and reliability for the Canyon Creek Canal Company shareholders, while addressing fish entrainment issues in both Canyon Creek and the Teton River. The Canyon Creek project is a model for successful streamflow restoration, achieving conservation benefits for the Canyon Creek drainage and improving agricultural water availability through close collaboration with long-standing farming families.